Hey, what's up guys, this is Rishi here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I am going to unbox you the sensor remote control helicopter with IR support. The model of this helicopter is LH1804. This flying toy seems to be amazing guys, that looks very realistic. Here is the remote controller image given over the box. It contains only two buttons, one is for altitude, another one is start and stop. Here is a power on button. They are saying that it is an easy to use flying object. This toy is so powerful guys, it has resistance over tramples. Let's see what are the features we can get with this toy. You can fly this toy anywhere, including indoors. This helicopter has USB charging support and also with LED indicators. It has 3D flight. Let's see what we have on backside of the box. There is nothing written here, but the color variants are mentioned. The red color and the green color and the orange color. Here is a remote controller. That's the overview of the toy. Let's unbox it and see what we get inside. These are all the items you get inside the box. Let's take this copter. It is completely made up of plastic, but the build quality is super good. These red color blades are also fine. It also survives when you step over it. Let's see its operational functions. Here is the power on button. LED blinks when you on it. Here is the charging slot and hand sensor port. Let's keep this aside and come to remote control. This remote is very light and small with only two buttons. An USB cable is also provided to recharge the helicopter. Let's power on this remote for a while. You need two AAA batteries to insert in it. Let's power on this remote. It has only two buttons. One is for altitude, another one is start and stop. Let's take this copter in hands and power it on. You need to hold 3 seconds to fly this object. Wow, this flies so good. It is so powerful. Let's take the remote and see its flying functions. The altitude holder is also working fine. It seems to be I'm actually holding a copter in my hands. I will take this outside and fly for some time. First I will go with the hand sensor and then with the remote control. Let's power it on and hold for 3 seconds. The hand sensor works so good. It just flies off from your hand. Just keep your hand below it and it flies automatically. Let's operate it with remote control. You can only fly this helicopter up to 10 feet with hand sensor that you can play inside your house. The remote controller is used to play with this toy outside. You can easily fly this toy up to 20 feet with the remote controller that you can see in the video. This flies so good. With a single charge, it works up to 40 minutes. That's the end of our video. Hit a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll meet in another unboxing video.